Welcome to the NAVI introduction video. This part, I will introduce you how to customize your workflow. Enter Setup menu by pressing the icon at the right top side of the task screen. The preset menu provides several functionalities. In this menu, you can preset the basic configuration of the system. Click System on the Setup menu. Enter General. The location, time and date, patient information, and review window can be set up. You can select the items to be displayed in the main interface. Tap Image to enter the image preset page. The Scene Look prospective time and retrospective time can be input. In the Image Control and Display column, the default probe can be changed. When no probes are connected, it will be assigned at the top of the screen. The system brightness and volume can be adjusted. You can also choose to display which kinds of needle indicator with guide on. In Scanning interface, to set up user-defined application presets, tap the Exam key. Then enter the Pro and Preset interface. After select the Pro, tap the icon at the right down side of the task screen. Select Save As. A pop-up menu appears. Type the name of the new application preset. Then it will appear on the Pro and Preset interface. Tap Setup, Exam, Preset. The factory default preset selections are displayed in the preset list. Select the Pro and Customize preset and tap Default. The chosen preset is set to be default one with a white line underneath. Tap Move Up or Move Down to change the preset display order in the Pro and Preset interface. Tap Delete to delete a customized preset. The application page shows all of the available applications of the system. After an exam mode is selected, you can export the preset data via Export or via Export All to export the preset data or all the exam mode. In addition, the measurements package, comments package, body marks for the specific exam can be preset. Via Import, the exam data can be downloaded. Please notice that the loading or pasting exam data will override the previous preset data and cannot be reverted. The measure-related tools and formula can be set in the Measure Tool page. Tap Measure to enter the Measure menu page. Tap the one left angle bracket icon or the two left angle bracket icon to add a measurement from package to application in the specific exam modes and different imaging modes. When in the measurement interface, the measure items in application list will be shown. Tap the one right angle bracket icon or the two right angle bracket icon to delete the measurement items from applications. Tap Advanced to enter the Advanced Preset page. More advanced measurement preset of various applications can be set. You can select the measurement unit and the specific item shown on the measurement results window. Tap Peripheral. The peripheral configuration can be set in this interface. On the left side of the touchscreen is a list of all printers. Tap Install here to start install a new printer. Delete printer from the list via Delete. To review the detailed information about printer, press Property. Tap the angle bracket icon to add a printer to the text and graphic printer or video printer list. Press Default to make the selected printer as a default one. To make a more detailed settings, tap Setting. A pop-up printer setting window will appear on the screen. The layout of print image or video can be adjusted via Image Layout or Printer Layout. Now is the time for you to explore more. Watch the instruction videos online or refer to the user menu.